Setcrete Acrylic Primer is designed to promote the adhesion of Setcrete levelling compounds to smooth, absorbent, or non-absorbent surfaces. The application of a primer will also prevent the rapid drying of a levelling compound, aiding product flow and resulting in a superior finish. Shake the bottle well before use. The primer is green in color to provide the user with visual control of coverage uniformity. Floor surfaces must be sound, smooth, and free from any contaminants which would prevent adhesion. They must also be dry, with less than 75% relative humidity, or less than 65% relative humidity for wood installation. The temperature of the surface must be above 5 degrees centigrade when the primer is applied, and underfloor heating must be turned off for at least 48 hours before, during, and after application. For absorbent surfaces, add 1 part Setcrete Acrylic Primer to 4 parts of clean cold water and stir until thoroughly dispersed. For non-absorbent surfaces, apply the Setcrete Acrylic Primer neat. Apply the primer evenly to the whole surface to be treated and allow it to dry completely before applying the appropriate Setcrete levelling compound.